Okay. Direction cosines. So the diagram is same. So here the given vector A, if it is making an angle alpha with the x-axis, beta with the y-axis, and gamma with the z-axis. That means this angle is beta and this angle is gamma, right? So alpha, beta, gamma are what? Angle made by the given vector A with the x-axis, with the y-axis, with the z-axis. Please concentrate. Please concentrate, everyone. What is alpha, beta, gamma here? Please look at here once. First, angle made by the A vector with the x-axis, with the y-axis, with the z-axis. Okay. Then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosines. Okay na? If alpha, beta, gamma are the angle made by the given vector A with the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis respectively, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma we are calling as what? Direction cosines. Right now, if alpha, beta, gamma are the angle made by the A vector, if alpha, beta, gamma are the what? Angles made by the A vector with x, y, z axis, with x, y, z axis, then cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are called what? Direction cosines. Why? What is the importance of this direction cosines? What is the importance? If you want to know which direction exactly the given vector is there, like with what angle it is making with the x-axis, what angle it is making with the y-axis, what angle it is making with the z-axis, if you know, then you can exactly specify in exactly which direction the vector is going on. Okay na? Understood? See, I am talking about direction cosines, means I am not talking about, it is only with x-axis. Now with respect to x, y, z, so what is the resultant direction of the given vector? Ijk, what it tells when it is along the x or when it is along the y or when it is along the z. But what you are saying, it is enough. But I want to know not along the x or y or z. I want to know the resultant direction of the given vector A. That vector I want to know. So how I will find out the direction of the given vector A? By knowing the angles made by that vector with respect to x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Any doubt? Any doubt? Now write down. So here cos alpha is equal to, write down. And here I am taking only magnitude, Ax by magnitude of A vector. Similarly, cos beta is equal to, what is that? Ay by magnitude of A vector. And similarly, cos gamma is equal to Az by magnitude of A vector. Okay. So whenever cos alpha is equal to Ax by A, cos beta is equal to Ay by A, cos gamma is equal to Az by A. Why? Because if you imagine that this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Previously we derived it. Cos theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So by that case, we will get cos alpha is equal to Ax by A, cos beta is equal to Ay by A, cos gamma is equal to Az by A. Now from this, if I am taking cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, which is equal to how much? Yeah, ax square by a square plus ay square plus a square plus az square by a square. Am I right? Am I right? So write down. So that means ax square by a square plus ay square by a square plus az square by a square. So that means what I am getting here, yeah, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to, now what is the numerator? A square will come. Now here you will get it as ax square plus ay square plus az square. Am I right? Yes or no? Sir, ax plus ay plus az is equal to what we got? A. Yes or no? So this how I can write? How I can write? ax square plus ay square plus az square. How much? Sir, previously I told one formula, magnitude of a vector which is equal to under root ax square plus ay square plus az square. Now, if ax square plus ay square plus az square, how much it will become? A square. See the previous thing I mentioned. After that, magnitude of a vector is equal to under root ax square plus ay square plus az square. Now, if I want only ax square plus ay square plus az square is equal to what will become? A square. That means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to a square by a square, which is equal to 1. That means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Is equal to how much? 1. Similarly, please find out sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to how much?
1, sir.
1. Why 1?
So because sin square, sir.
See, you know sin trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1. Now sin square theta is equal to how much? How I can write? 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square alpha plus 1 minus sin square alpha plus 1 minus cos square gamma. Sorry, 1 minus sin square alpha, sin square cos square. 1 minus cos square alpha plus 1 minus cos square beta plus 1 minus cos square gamma. Means 1 plus 1, 3 minus cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to how much? 2. It's very important bits for your OT exams. Okay, na objective exams. In some cases they will mention is that cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, they will say L, M, N. If L, M, N are the direction cosine, that means what? L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. Then L square plus M square plus N square is equal to how much they'll ask. That means how much it is? 1. If L, M, N are direction cosines, what are the direction cosines here? Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. In that case, what they will say? L, M, N. If L, M, some name. If L, M, N are the direction cosines, then L square plus M square plus N square is equal to how much? How much? 1. Why? Because L, M, N are direction cosines. That means L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. Therefore, L square plus M square plus N square is nothing but cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. That means L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Clear? Like that also they will mention. Any doubt? Okay, na? When it is, what is the question they'll ask? If L, M, N are the direction cosines, then find the value of L square plus M square plus N square. That means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to, what is the answer? 1. Right? Any doubt?